And the next thing is a radio. So again, when the cell phones are down, when the phone lines, the internet is down, you don't have access, your source of news is going to be some sort of radio. If you watched the episode 49 of Boring Apocalypse Gear, I had the AM FM shortwave NOAA radio, auto scanning, super duper awesome radio. It's great to have. You don't need that. The one I put the link in there, it's like $14, $15. It has the AM, the FM, and the NOAA, the National Air something something Association. Sorry, I don't remember what NOAA stands for. What is the O in NOAA for? Anyway, but the weather channels to where it has the update weathers or if there's a tornado or something like that in there. But it is the government run radio station that gives you important emergency information. But then usually the local radio stations will also be broadcasting really important information. So just having a radio that you can hear what's going on in the world is really, really, really useful. If you end up at a Red Cross shelter, hopefully you have one that has a headphone jack and you have headphones for it, because usually in the sleeping area, they try and keep it really quiet and they don't want people blasting radios, even if it's news or anything like that. So you need to use headphones. But a battery operated radio, now you can get crank radios and solar radios and all these sort of things. If you can't afford it, get it, because those are great. But at the bare bones, a little transistor radio that picks up just the normal radio stations and the weather stations. Really, really, really important, especially when all the internet and phone lines and everything are down. Oceanic. Wait, National. Oh yeah, what is it? National Oceanic and Atmosphere Association. Cool, Oceanic. Yeah, but well, okay, that makes sense because they give high tide and tide information too. Cool, thank you. I learned something. That's why I like this. It's a learning from each other sort of thing. Cool. Okay, so radio, really, really important. One more thing, a fire extinguisher.